Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today is the challenge day. I will play one notations over here and your challenge is to find the notations and play. Okay, in the first beginning of this in the first half of this video, I will play without showing you the notations. I will use C scale flute 175 BPM 3/4 rhythm, and your task is to figure it out the notations and play and submit me. And second half of the video, I will describe the notations. With the notation, I will show you the notations and I will play along with that. So if you are facing any difficulties in the first part, you can take help from the next part and send me the video. So after listening that, you will get to know what the earlier challenge and this challenge are correlated. I mean, this is the challenge. This challenge is an extension of your previous challenges. So I will play along with the first challenge and I will continue with this. Okay. And you will submit me only this. No need to submit the previous one. Okay. Let's start. Now, next. Now I'm helping you with the notation. It's the second part of this video. As promised, here is the notations below. So let me explain. 1 2 3 1 2 3 pa sa ni sa 1 2 pa sa ni dha ma 1 dha sa ni dha pa 1 2 1 2 3 pa ni sa re ma ga re ni sa re dha ni re sa 1 2 1 2 3 sa 1 dha ma 1 dha ni pa re ga sa 1 dha ma 1 dha pa 1 re sa 1 2. So this will be repeat. Sa 1 dha ma 1 dha ni 1 pa re 1 ga sa 1 dha ma 1 dha pa 1 re sa 1 2. Okay, I'm playing with this. If you like these compositions which we create with the first part and the second part, you can let me know. If you like it, I can extend with the verse 3. It was the verse 1, it is the verse 2, If you like this, I will create the verse 3 also for you for the next challenge. Okay, let me know your thought, and do not forget your comments, and put down your comments in this video. Let me know if you are facing any difficulties to play it. Okay, please submit it. Bye bye, see you.